In this video, I'll be cleaning my makeup brushes. If you want to see how I do that and what I'll be using, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome to Everyday Living with Karen Jeter. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Karen and this is a lifestyle channel and we enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, and occasionally a DIY. So if you're interested in that type of content, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and tap that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you're a returning friend, welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my makeup brushes. Here are the 3 brushes that I use. These 2 are the main ones that I use, but every now and then I'll use this brush. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I do wear a foundation by IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye foundation, and I like this because it gives me a full coverage. It's a moisturizer and it has an SPF of 50, so I do like to use this, and I use this every day as my moisturizer, and the color is called Rich. All right, so I do use that, and this is the brush that I blended in with, and it is made by the same IT company, and it's the Heavenly Luxe brush that goes with the foundation. Now if I do wear blush, it too is by the IT Cosmetics. It's the Ombre Radiance blush, and I think this is called the Je ne sais quoi. All right, so that's what I use, and then I use this brush for the blush, and sometimes I may use this one. I don't use this one often, but it does need to be cleaned, so that's what I'm going to do today. So let me go ahead and show you what I use to clean the brushes with. I'm going to be using some dish soap, just 2 tablespoons of dish soap. And this is the Mrs. Meyer's Peony Scent. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. And this will act as a disinfectant. And then I'm going to be using 2 cups of warm water. And I'm going to put everything right here in this mixing bowl so that you can actually see how I'm cleaning. And then I have another bowl here I'm going to put warm water in to do the rinsing. All right, so let me go ahead and get started and fill the measuring cup with warm water. Next, I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar. Add the 2 tablespoons of Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. You can use any dish soap that you want. I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's because that's what I have on hand. So I'll be putting 2 tablespoons of that in. All right, and then I'm going to start with the least dirtiest brush, which is this one right here. And what you want to do is just basically have your brush going down into the water and then wash in a downward motion because you don't want to damage the hairs of the brush. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm just pressing down into the brush, down into the cleaning solution with the brush, hairs going downward like that, okay? Now, if you have some tough oils and dirt on the brush, then you may want to use a little bit of olive oil in your cleaning solution. That will help to loosen up the dirt and makeup off of the brush. Alright guys, we're going to clean this brush one more time because it was the dirtiest. So I'm going to clean this one more time to make sure I got all of the foundation out of the brush to make sure that it's clean. Alright, we're going to go ahead and rinse this brush one more time, and hopefully it will be nice and clean and the water will still be clear. So it's clean. Just a little bit of vinegar and water. I'm just going to spray my counter a little bit to clean it off. Okay, now guys, we're going to go ahead and lay down our towel. And what you want to do is to have the brushes drying downward, just like this, because you don't want the water to seep back down this way into the brushes. So you want the water to fall down onto the clean, dry towel. All right, so you want to have something to prop it on so that it's down at an angle so that the water will drain down onto the towel. Alright guys, so this is how I clean my makeup brushes. I hope this was helpful to you guys in some way and that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. And remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.